Yes! Yes!
Oh. What's going on? Making this vlog right this time by starting it off with an intro. And today I'm meeting up with the boys and we're going downtown, getting some food probably. And I don't know what else happened. Hopefully something else happens on the way, but see you there.
So, Kev's pissed.
When isn't Kev pissed?
Kev's
Are you
like,
looking at what he's doing?
Kev's fucking eating metal. Go to Dairy Queen.
Yeah, we're going to do it. Yeah.
Hey, Easton, you gotta say, can I get a smoothie? What's it called?
No, it's not that.
Can I get one of those red drinks?
Can I get one of them?
No, it's not that. No,
you have to say this.
No,
You have to say
it's
this.
not that.
You have to go like, can I go like, can I?
I'm done.
Bro, I'd like commit.
Drive me to the bong bridge. I'm jumping.
I'd commit, bro.
Dude, that's like.
I just winked, but I have some.
I didn't wake to it.
Oh, it's Bubba Shot.
It's his dad.
Wait, where? Oh.
That's Gabe's dad. Let's go.
Oh shit.
Oh, he looked at us.
We were recording him. What a beauty.
Except nobody on the vlog knows who that is, bro.
Yeah, guys, if you don't know, it's Bubba Shaq's dad.
I'm like, okay.
But yeah, you're just.
And then Bailey Christopherson, she asked me too. I'm like, what the f?
Dude, why are you
like,
taking
who are
mine
you?
and Leb's girl?
Oh.
Dude, I need to stop, I was a
Alright, stop.
Don't talk chap talks.
Dude, you need to.
Dude, you
That was fucking as shit.
guys, I just like wet myself. That
Ew.
was like the best
That was a
joke.
good term, dude. You can't even deny
Dude,
it, bro.
lab hole.
Dude.
Wow.
And oh, I forgot about that, dude.
So they live in a barn like with 8 floors?
Can I get a job here?
Okay, grab my phone.
Holy crap.
Use one. Let's go.
So they own everything.
This place is huge.
Oh no, it's locked.
We'll get that. You don't push it? You push it. Caleb, you push it. What? Okay, you gotta explain something. What is going on?
They own a farm.
This literally is like where they would have like a
Do I close this or no? Do I close this door?
no, Easton's coming in.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, Easton's coming. He has no idea where we are.
This is mine.
I'm actually eating this.
Can I have this?
What is it?
Can I have this?
It's like egg benedict.
Hey, put this in there.
No, not at the same time. We can wait.
What is yours? What is that?
Oh, what? I don't care, bro.
What are these? Bro, are these like
Oh, what the?
breakfast biscuits?
Oh, dude, let me make one of those. Grab me one too.
Bro, I swear something's rotten in there. Oh my god.
Wait, how old are these?
I don't know.
He's got the Advil.
They're fine.
Kev, first thing he reaches for is Advil.
Money.
Oh, dude, they like buck you off.
No, I'm good at riding horses.
I was paid to see that.
I'm good at riding horses.
What are you eating?
Hey, bro, can I?
Is that a Cinnabon?
Can I use that fork?
I'm
No.
using that fork, bro.
Do you
Where's
have
the money? Oh, bet.
Bet.
That's enough money.
Yeah?
Little serpent.
What is
It's all ones.
Stacks.
It's like 4 ones.
It's like $8.
Oh, there's a 20.
Drop merch. It's selling like a god.
Hey, what?
Wes, this is really
You won't eat
healthy.
this.
Ebony? Ebony? Oh, dude, you use I got that.
Hey, eat it for the vlog. Eat it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the
Dude.
vlog. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Come on.
Hey, Wes, get
on.
this.
No way he's gonna eat it.
We're gonna eat these little rice poop. Or
Dude, I didn't those out. Come on.
No way you're gonna eat
Let's
that.
go. Dude, you're gonna. You just swallowed it. You didn't even chew it.
Hey, you guys haven't even seen the best part.
Dude, is this like a little swallowing area? Dude, they got an X-wing in here.
Bro, this is where they keep learning.
This is where the X-wings are, dude. Oh, this is. Dude, this.
Call me when you find another barn that has a riding arena, like in Hermanton.
Well, there's one like a mile.
That's the gator. Should we take a rip on the gator?
The what? What is that?
Oh, those are
What are those? These are beauty! Dude! Do the horses play with these? Dude, climb the hay.
It's just a total jet. Dude, can I?
What? Dude,
That's sick.
this is like a freaking
Yeah, dude.
pen, dude.
Can you climb it? I don't care.
I rip on that?
Working on my ball handling.
He's LaMelo Ball.
Can you rip on it?
Hi.
Sure, we could.
Can I climb
What
on
is
there?
this?
Hey, can I
That's
go
a
on?
bunch of hay.
Can I go on
What
top
is
of the
this
hay?
thing?
It's like a carriage.
Oh, like Wells Fargo.
Hold on, come back in here, bro.
Another
Yeah,
Wells
this is
Fargo.
like, dude, I built all of these.
Dude.
Blood and sweat and a Cinnabon.
This is
What?
sick.
Why does he have a Cinnabon?
So how many horses do they have? Or their horses?
Wait, where's it?
No,
you
I
guys
think
have a
we
side
have-
by side?
I think.
So the other horse, do they don't store like other people?
No. Alright, we're gonna go get some food and then probably head down to Canal. I don't know yet.
What have been like?
Hey, here's the road.
Well, I had it going out the other
What are you
way.
gonna do, Wes?
Which way did you go? You went.
I went up.
Just do it on your face.
What is this? It's cool.
Just roll through.
Ginger Ninja.
Just been on this dude.
Oh, look at this corner. It's just boxed in.
Oh!
What the?
Why?
How is that?
Dude, how are they gonna get in?
How are they gonna get out?
There must be a party or something here.
Dude,
Bro, how do I
get
get
out?
in?
Yeah,
They're
dude.
in.
No, dude, they're done.
Dude, it's Saratoga, dude.
Oh yeah, true.
So that's I worked there.
No.
Send it.
Oh, where's my money?
Ah, where's my money?
Oh wait, actually go.
What?
Serious? I just got racked, dude.
Rocks on right. Look at that sunset,
Dude, someone just hit me up for another shoot. You know, I'm always making money, bro. It's always a paper chase, dude. Get on my level, okay? Get on my level. Way up here.
YouTube money, bro.
You know, like $8.
Bro, what's he doing?
I don't know.
Is your camera?
Yeah, look at the freaking clouds, bro.
Club game? A lot of club shit.
Hey, little puppy.
Playing Pokemon Go.
No way.
What's that?
Is there a
came
raid?
back.
Is there a raid going for?
Yeah.
Oh, pull it out. Join it.
I know what I'm talking. For who? Who are you raiding for? Enter- oh, okay.
Oh, bro, I might actually swoop.
You better, dude.
Yeah.
We're
that's it.
here.
Bro, I might actually.
Yeah, you have like 60 seconds.
Dude, get
Oh,
on.
Wait, you are on? Whoa.
come on.
Dude, gang's posted up.
I bet 100% I have to get an update for
I
it.
have to download the app again. You have 60 seconds. It takes.
Yeah, we're going in.
I will be.
You have to click this. I'll do it when I get up here. Hold on.
Tell them what we're doing.
We're going to Split Rock.
I don't know. Sometimes shoes, sometimes.
Crazy art.
It's just like.
Art teacher.
It's just like a. Kind of flip it. Dude, it sounds. I literally have the same exact photo. I bet you do. She probably copied it.
Wait, how the heck do you do that?
I don't know.
You go like this. Shake.
I could do that. Dude, that's... Yeah. Long exposure.
Dude, all that, it's just a light.
Rabbits. Rabbits. Stop it.
Dude, that thing sounds beast.
What is?
Parts on my tongue.
Kev's Bay.
That guy's.
Is he gonna come wrapping around?
I think he's got 3
I'm getting this freaking sick.
Way up.
Why was it some old man though?
Dude, I don't know.
Who cares?
He's
That guy.
probably got a lot of money, that's why.
Oh God.
Cam started screaming. So
God, like yeah.
It wasn't even a. It means it's like it's no, it's like launch control pretty much. So when you like you set.
He did. You wanna know what else?
What do you do?
What do you do? Bro, are you recording right now?
Yeah.
My hand's in my pants.
Hey.
You both need to listen to this. So.
No. Okay. So Laner's like.
Hey, Ray. Dude, Wes needs to tell a story.
Laner.
are you gonna tell the story to the vlog or am I?
Well, I'll say it, but Laner, you're like Kev. Everything in my wallet climbed to the 3rd level of the frickin' hotel over there. How tall would you say that is?
That 3rd level.
Everything in his wallet. It was like $80 or something
To
like that.
climb, like,
The top.
outside of
To
it.
the top.
I made it to the 2nd level, and then Alex and Wes were like,
Dude, we were like flipping out. We're like,
He was
no,
climbing
no.
up
He was
to a person.
He was climbing up to people, and there's people like sitting in the window watching TV.
There was
Open up that
there was someone on the deck.
dude, I would do that right now if it was dark, just because of the vlog. I would make it to the 3rd level.
Titanic.
Oh
Titanic.
insert music.
Oh my God.
Oh shit. I hear a modified vehicle.
Oh, they're swimming.
We're racing. Who's gonna win? I got money on the left.
Who's gonna win? Let's go! What? Whose man is this? Bro, what the what am I witnessing, bro?
Look at this dude.
Easton! What was that? What were you doing, bro?
I'm embarrassed.
Oh my god. Oh shoot.
Calisthenics, okay? Get on my level.
Calisthenics, bro.
Let's go to Bronx on the bridge.
Hell yeah, bro.
Hey, how's the water down there? Yeah, let's go. Alright.
You won't jump in the canal hole.
Damn, dude. Dude, this place is. Duluth is dope, actually.
I mean, people say it. People like always want to leave, but bro, it's lit here, fam.
Oh, dude, let's go. Oh, bro. Yeah, damn, dude. That's the aerial lift bridge, one of 5 in the world.
Yeah.
1 of 5.
Yes! Yes! Oh. Dude, what the heck?
That car is so nice.
In Duluth.
It's parking. It's parking.
Oh,
It's parking.
Oh, shit.
That's my Uber. Oh. This is such a nice car.
Yo, watch out.
Take a photo. Take a photo. Kev, move. Oh my God. The license plate is Godzilla.
Uber X right there.
That's like later, dude. Oh my God. Dude, you put the one door open. It looks freaking pictured like.
Look how crisp that is.
Oh
Okay,
my
it's not
God.
super
The lights are
crisp.
so sick though.
Dude, that's insane.
Look at the lights, bro. They're like painted in, dude.
Dude, it's freaking future. Oh, gone. He's gone. Gone. Oh my God.
Oh, German engine.
That is to cook a body.
Cook it up in the crock pot.